Today is the day. As we pause for our spiritual accountability, for meditation, for prayer, for reflection, for change, for awakening, for stepping out of an old skin, for serenity, for sobriety, get a sense of it. Who you would be completely your divine self. Invite you to see yourself as a third person, like you're watching a movie of yourself in life. And notice anything you may not be so proud of. And what it would be like to step out of that. To step out of that way of being. To stop that. Healed. Empowered. Clearer. Connected to the sun and the moon and the stars, to your heart, to the breath, to the trees, to the rivers, to life and the proof of life. One as that, one with that. As an enlightened, awakened, fully aware, divine being, what would you do less of? What maybe would you stop completely? Empowered to choose. So I invite you to imagine starting at the crown and energetically unzipping yourself, unzipping from the crown all the way down to your feet, and stepping out of an old skin, an old way of being. Of the pain, of the regrets, of resentments. Take a step out. Shed the skin. And get a sense of newness, of a new way of being. Take a big, deep breath if you can, if it's all right with you. If your space, give space for this new way of being. a literal phoenix rising out of the ash of the old ways of being, of burdens we've carried, legacy burdens we have not carried that got passed down to us. And imagine and embody being free of it all. Freer. And in the silence, welcome a few images of how you would be in the world, who you would be in the world, aligned with the reality of your own divinity. And now invite in a master teacher, whoever that is for you. Proof, an image, a person, something that would remind you of your own divinity. And open to receive. Imagine them there, the image or the person there with you now, supporting you in this new way of being. Get a sense of their presence, standing before you, beside you. Open to divine presence, divine proof. And give thanks. A deep bow to yourself, a deep bow to who's there to support you. gratitude for this time of awakening, for this meditation, for this place, for this spiritual practice, for this new beginning. We accept. We rejoice and say, Amen. Amen. Amen.